I'm excited about this because it brings together several things that are really important priorities for UMass Boston. One thing is that it's our responsibility not just to make sure that we have a high quality educational programs and courses, but that they are relevant. And our goal in creating the Institute was to make sure that we are providing equitable opportunities for people to learn how to responsibly and ethically use and contribute to the use of AI in our livelihoods, not just a particular job, not just a career, not just learning, our larger livelihoods. And this is really important. The work we're doing in our classrooms are addressing issues of equitable access, opportunity, and success. Because if we don't do that, then we're contributing to the problem and we're not contributing to the solution. So I'm really proud of that, and I think that that's incredibly important.
You may wish to talk to so and such person or so and such office.